Hey, in this video I'll show you a very simple tutorial on how to add and remove contacts on your iPhone. If you got any value from the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's start. So the first thing you want to do to actually add contacts is go over to your green button icon, contacts icon. There you want to click on the plus sign at the top right corner, and here you can actually add a contact. You can type in the name, add a phone, add an email, and add it in. So to actually remove this contact after we've added it, you want to go on the particular contact, just like I have right here, and you can either block it or click on edit at the top right corner, go down below and click on delete contact. That's all you have to do. If you found this video helpful, give me a like. If you're new, hit subscribe. If you're still having any issues whatsoever, I would love to help you out in the next video. See you next one, and also in the comment section below. See you next one. Bye.